How to see locked profile on Facebook. What's up everybody? In today's video we are going to teach you method on how to do it. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. First thing is you can open up the Facebook application on your mobile device, and once you open it up you should be finding this home interface. So the next step you need to do is you need to head over to your friend's account whose account is locked. You can use the search bar at the top in order to search for their profile, or directly head over to their profile whose account is locked. For example, let's say this person right here has locked his or her profile. The next step you need to do is once you head over to their profile, you need to go ahead and screenshot their profile. Can use your screenshot in order to screenshot, and you can use this photo later. So what you need to do is once the screenshot is taken, right when you head over to the profile, you need to also copy their profile's URL. So go ahead and locate up the three dot right beside their profile, and once you head over there we should be finding a copy link option. So just go ahead and copy link by tapping on copy link, and your link should be copied. So once your link is copied, what you can do is you can head back to your home page, and once you are on your home page you can head over to your profile again, and from your profile you need to scroll down and look for help and support. So just go ahead and locate this option called help and support and drop this option down. And once you drop it down, you need to select the option called report a problem. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you go ahead and tap on it, you can go back to where you show an issue, and just go ahead and do that. Let's just continue to report a problem for this one right here, and it will start creating a report. So wait for the page to completely load up first where we can report basically. And then from here what you can do is you can select a product. For this one right here, you can just go ahead and select a profile option or something like profile. Just tap on profile, and here we need to describe the issue. So what you're going to do is simply go ahead and upload the picture that we screenshotted earlier by tapping on upload from phone. Like this, you can just go ahead and paste the screenshot right here in this attachment section, and this right above it we have the option of describe the issue. So in this describe the issue, you need to write in a paragraph like how you want to view that profile. For example, you can just go ahead and write something similar. For example, hi Facebook support, I would like to request assistance on viewing my friend's profile as he or she recently logged his profile and wanted to check their account. So you can just go ahead and paste up a similar kind of message. You can just go ahead and copy and paste it, copy it, and head over to Facebook again to the same section where we are reporting. Paste the prompt that we just copied. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on the send icon at the top right corner. And once that is done, you need to wait for about 48 hours for their response, and they should probably help you out in order to view a profile which is logged on Facebook. And that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow the similar process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.